Hello, buddy. I know you're hungry. I just know you're hungry. But I've got to feed the birds too, because they're hungry too. Yeah. Feeding your face. Hello there, cute little guy. Now, if you don't mind, I'm going to feed your buddy birds. There, full. Which way did he go? Which way did he go? Aha. There you are, you silly little rascal. You can come down and eat once I leave, but I had to take a picture of you because you're just too cute. Yes, you are. And there's one trying to escape. He's circling around like a vulture. Food! Where are you? Can't see you. There he is. This one's sitting right. I'll leave so you can eat. Hello there.